Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I'm going to be making a classic shepherd's pie. First, I'm going to start off with my potatoes that I've cut into cubes. I'm going to boil this in some water with a bit of salt and a little bit of chicken stock, or you can put half a chicken bouillon. I like to put that in just for a bit of added flavor. And then I'll just cook these potatoes until tender. Now in a large skillet on medium to high heat, with a bit of oil, I'm going to start browning my ground beef. And I'm just going to keep stirring this around and breaking it down into small pieces. Once the ground beef has browned enough, I'll drain the excess fat and then I will start to season the beef. I'm going to add in some salt, a bit of paprika, oregano. I'm going to mix that all up. And then I'll add in my chopped onions and then some minced garlic and my chopped carrots. And I'll give everything a good mix. Next, I'll add in some tomato paste, and this will help to thicken the beef filling. Next, I'm going to be adding my beef stock, and I'm using the Better Than Bouillon beef base. Alternatively, you can use a beef bouillon cube, or you can just use liquid beef stock. If you are using liquid beef stock, you would hold off at this point and add that in at the end of the cooking. Now I'm going to add in the flour. I'm just going to give this a good mix and cook this down for about a minute because you want to make sure that the flour is cooked through. And now I'll add in my water. And if you're using the liquid beef stock, this is when you would add it in. Next, I'll add in my frozen corn and then my frozen peas. And I'll just cook this down until the liquid is reduced. Once the liquid is reduced, I'll remove from the heat and set it aside. Now it's time to mash my potatoes. I'll be adding in a bit of salt and black pepper to taste. Next, I'll add in some melted butter and some milk. And then I'll mash this until smooth. Next, I'll add in some Parmesan cheese and some dried chives. And then I'll add in 1 egg yolk, and this will help to bind the potatoes together. Next, I'll add my meat filling to a baking dish and just evenly spread it out. And then I'll top with my mashed potatoes and just spread that out evenly. I'm just going to add a bit of texture with my fork. This is completely optional. Also, if you like, at this point you can add a bit more cheese on top. Now I'm just going to pop this in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes on 375 degrees. And there you have it, shepherd's pie. This is one of my kids' favorite dish. They ask for it all the time. Try it out and let me know how you like it. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please make sure to give this video a like and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Mama's Easy Kitchen.